What's up, beautiful people? So I am somewhat documenting my journey with this bus life. To be honest, most of the time I just start doing something when I'm in flow, so I don't really always document it, but in my efforts to inspire and encourage people to live the life of their dreams, I'm going to start documenting more. So the other day I painted this sidewall here, this like really nice sage green, which of course, if you know anything about me, you know that I love my sage. And then I actually picked up these 3 paintings from a really awesome elder. He was raising money for the other elders in the community. I think it was for a retirement home. So I supported him and bought some paintings a little spontaneously, not really knowing where I'm gonna put them, but that's okay. So yeah, I just painted this sidewall right here. So that's painted. I do like the white trim, but I think that I'm gonna paint it black because I just like black better. But let me show you what else I'm working on. So there was this baseboard here, and I noticed that it was just tacked on by a few staples. I don't necessarily feel the need for the baseboard aesthetic wise because it's white down there already. The only issue I guess would be that small gap, but that's not really that big of an issue. So I decided to take the baseboard out in effort to conserve wood and materials, and I'm gonna actually build myself a shelving unit later. Right now this is kind of just like my storage space. This is all my books in there. Then I got my fire staff and my bow. And I have a boatload of my other books under here. I did decide to hang my clothes for the first time in years. I used to have my clothes in these, where are they? In these bins here. So that I roll them up military style and had them organized in here. This is kind of the clutter mess area for now. Oh, look what I did the other day. I designed these little mirrors. Aren't they cool? So yeah, you can kind of see through them, but they all have different designs. I really like that one. Yeah, that will go on this sidewall here, I think, or somewhere in this corner here. I'm meeting with the guy this next week to help me with the electrical and putting the solar on my bus, so that'll be fun. But anyways, what I wanted to show you today in particular is my shelves. So I made these little shelves out of just like the recycled plywood. So I cut them down. I honestly eyeballed all of these, all of this part, because I just didn't want to measure it, but I did a pretty good job eyeballing it, to be honest. But yeah, I used a staple gun to staple it in, cut these little wedges. I also eyeballed those, we'll see. But I checked today and it fits. So I'm excited about that. I did just paint. I just scratched the wall. So I'm gonna wait a little bit for that paint to dry. While the paint is drying, I'm actually going to pre-drill. I'm getting better, guys. I'm gonna pre-drill some holes in these bad boys here because I don't want to split this wood. I really don't want to split it because then that means that I have to do everything again. While I'm on the video with you guys, oh look, did I show you guys I got a mini fridge? Anyways, oh look, I got this little Ninja blender. Someone gave that to me. That was really nice of them. Here, let me just maneuver over here. Ignore all my grunts and sound effects. I very ghetto painted this wall the other day as well. Obviously I didn't make it all the way, but that's okay because I think that, oh wait, I do need to paint that section. Crap. So anyways, I'm going to paint that right now, and then I'm going to paint this side of the wall right now too, because this is actually a darker sage green. This side already came painted, but you know, I'm redoing all the paint to my colors that I want. And then yeah, I am going to take this bed out because it takes up so much freaking space, and I would rather have this room as like a chill room. And I'm so I went and here, wait. So I actually went to Japan a handful of years ago, and during my time there, I was only there for like 2 weeks, but during my time there, I stayed on the floor, and the first couple of days it was a little rough, but after like day 4, 5, my body adjusted to it and I really loved it. So ever since then, I've actually really enjoyed sleeping on like harder surfaces. Consequently, I don't really feel the need for like an actual full bed setup. I haven't had a full bed setup for years. So I think I'm just gonna make like a little chill section on the floor. And that'll also give me room to like, you know, spread out and move things around rather than being like, this is the place where you always have to sleep. I don't really want that. So anyways, that's today's update in the day of the life of a solo traveler who is currently taking a pause in Austin, Texas to build her bus out. So that's me, by the way. I'm the solo traveler. Anyways, okay, have a great day. Big hugs. See you guys.